Today we are looking at the load checkpoint node in ComfyUI. This node is one of the most important parts of the entire workflow because it loads the main model. If load image brings an image into ComfyUI, load checkpoint brings in the AI model that will actually generate or process the image. Think of a checkpoint like the brain of the workflow. It contains the model that understands how to create images based on the prompt and the setting you give it. So let's create a load checkpoint node. Double click on the screen and type load checkpoint. You will see the load checkpoint option. Click and again click to create the node. Let's make it a little bigger so we can read the model name here. The load checkpoint node that loads the model file into ComfyUI. That model is what powers the generation process and gives the workflow its style, behavior and output quality. Without a checkpoint, ComfyUI does not know which model to use. So this node is usually one of the first node in any serious workflow. Currently, I have selected the NetaUMA model. If you want to change the model, just click here and you can just scroll down if you have other models too. In future, mostly we will work on the Juggernaut XL Ragnarok because it is faster and it is stable as well. Technically, a checkpoint contains the trained weights of a stable diffusion model in ComfyUI. This node makes that model available to the rest of the workflow so the other nodes can use it for sampling and generation. So remember this clearly, load checkpoint does not make the image by itself. It loads the model that the rest of the nodes will use. You will use this node at the start of most text-to-image or image-to-image workflows because it sets the model foundation before the prompt and sampler do their work. To summarize this, load checkpoints brings in the main AI model and that model becomes the base of your workflow. In the next video, we will continue this sequence and break down the next node step by step.